When the calculation is completed, folders and files are created. The result files exist in the folder where the project file is saved. Let's check the results briefly. At first, please open TSolidX Viewer. You can check the results and analyze them after post-processing by TSolidX Viewer. To load the result file, click File and Open, or click this Open icon, or just drag and drop the file. First of all, let's look at the STR file that includes the 2D mask information. You can see that there are two types of STR files. In this case, I will load them together. There are various viewer options in the toolbar, so it would be good to click through them one by one. When you want to compare two files like now, it is good to use File window. For other viewer options, I will let you know in the 3D mesh file. And if you click this mask structure, you can identify the mask name, thickness, color of each mask structure, and turn on and off the mask. Next, let's click on the result folder. The two CAD format files selected in the Mesh tab are also saved in the result folder. Among them, let's load the 3D structure file, Mesh file. Looking at the toolbar, there are 6 view options: front, rear, left, right, top, and bottom. It can be useful for checking the structure of the direction that you want to see. Also, I will briefly explain how to use the shortcut keys to check the structure result that can be used the most. If you click the left mouse button, you can move or rotate the structure. And if you hold down the Control key and move the mouse wheel, you can zoom in or out. And if you hold down the Shift key and move the mouse wheel, you can move left or right. Moreover, while holding the Control key and X key, and then move the mouse wheel, the structure will zoom in or out along the x-axis. In the same way, while holding the Control key and Y or Z key, and then move the mouse wheel, the structure will zoom in or out along the Y and Z axis. By the way, only few layers are visible right now. To check the layer information and set the on and off state options, please click John on and off. Information such as name, elements, and color of each layer is displayed. If you click here, it is turned on and off for the entire layer, and you can easily change the on and off state for a specific layer as follows. By clicking on the bottom layer step by step, let's check if the structure is created as desired. The next useful option is cross-section. You can extract and analyze the cross-sectional data. By adjusting the slide bar, you can extract a specific area. Since the substrate is very thick, I will not check this layer and click Extract. CLS file will be opened automatically. And if you click the right mouse button, there are a lot of menus. Most of all, when you select Distance, you can measure the distance. So I have explained the most used functions of the TSolid Viewer, and through this you will be able to analyze the results.